welcome to my very small bathroom tour 2021. Let's just get started. Let's just cut straight to the chase. I don't have like lots of space to like move around, but I'm just gonna show you what I did to like maximize this space and just like show you how I just like decorated it with cute things and make it look like very aesthetic and adorable. So let's get started. The first section in our bathroom is just like the toilet area, but like yeah, like there's not much to like show, but to keep my bathroom smelling super good, I'm actually using this Capri Blue pineapple flower wreath diffuser, and it smells so good. And sometimes I just like take these sticks out, even though Christian told me I'm not supposed to do that, but like I just want it to smell to its maximum potential.
I already did that today.
Oh, you did that today?
Yeah.
Okay. Well,
yeah.
I did it again. So I just like put it on top of the toilet, and because this bathroom is like very small, it just like really concentrates it here, and it smells really good every time you just enter. And one thing I really love about this apartment bathroom is that we have like two little like racks to put our towels, and so that's nice. And then this is just like the vanity area and just like the sink and stuff, and so I really love that this is like very modern and white, and it had like lots of space for me to just do my makeup or just like do my skincare, stuff like that. And what I did was that I just put like this face cleansing section over here. So we have like my face wash that I'm currently using, and then I also am putting here like some morning scrubs and an exfoliating powder for during the night, and that way I can just like remind myself that I need to like do that each night, and so I just have it like there, straight to the point. I also have like this soap. This is like a provisional soap, but it smells really good and it's cheap, but I usually just go for the Capri Blue hand soaps or the Bath & Body one, especially the seasonal ones. And now for autumn, I'm definitely looking forward to going to Bath & Body Works and just like splurging on lots of soaps because it smells really good and it leaves my hands feeling so soft. And then in this area, I just bought this container to put like our toothbrushes and our toothpaste, and I actually got this from Home Goods, I believe, and it's like very fall-ish type of like pattern and design, but still it looks super cute all year round, especially if this bathroom is like cream and beige and stuff like that, so it goes really well with that. Over here, I'm gonna have to like kneel down but it does have like two cabinets, and I just have like everything bathroom related here. So I just have like my hair conditioners and hair shampoos over here. I just have like my organic period pads. I have like a random cup over there and some extra toothpaste and toothbrushes. I also have like these clean towels. These are from Amazon, and they're like bamboo clean towels, and I use them to wash my face, and they're reusable. I also have a couple of cleaning materials over there, and then I just have like my shaving materials here and some bubble baths over here and some like foot soak. So that's everything I have in this cabinet. And so then the next area in our bathroom is just the shower, and I got this shower curtain from Target and it was like $20, but I'm really happy because it really does blend a lot with like the colors of the bathroom, and it looks like really fancy and cute. This rug that I got from Walmart, it was pretty cheap. It just goes really well with like the bathroom. So we moved into the laundry room because I believe that the bathroom video is a little bit short, so I wanted to add a little bit more of information about the laundry room, and I just want to show you two things here that I think are going to be useful if you do your own laundry. And the first thing is this little like rack that we have here, and I got this from Amazon. I'll be linking it on the description below, But basically, you have the capacity of just like organizing your dirty clothes into dark laundry, light laundry, and color laundry. Something very useful to keep things organized and keep track of where the clothes are instead of just having it in one big like hamper. And then the next item that I want to share with you is just this single hamper that I got from Home Goods, and I basically just use this hamper for the items that I want to hand wash, and that way I'm able to like distinguish between the things that are going inside the washer and the things that are going to be washed by hands. I have like a couple of things that I use over here, so you can just like see more or less all the things that I use, but I'm planning on like making it more sustainable and buying from brands like Mrs. Mayer's or Capri Blue, but those are just like items that we needed to get in the meantime. And so finally, that's it for this video. So make sure that you are subscribed so you see my other upcoming tours that are coming right up on my YouTube channel, and also make sure that you follow me on Instagram. Thank you very much for your support, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!